digging from there?
Yeah, you're digging from the bank, but you're using your front pocket.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Wait. You want me to park front facing that way?
Yeah, so front facing the bank, because you'll be using your front bucket first. We'll give you 20 minutes, and then you'll be using your back bucket.
Okay, so the opposite way to them.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. Sorry.
That's alright.
Well, can you help my wife open the back bit because she's a bit warm? Is that all right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cheers. Is that right? Lift your bucket. Lift your bucket.
towards the door, all the way, until it's flush. Stop there.
Okay.
Now
That's
your
flat.
bucket is flat.
Okay.
So we're going to travel forwards.
Okay.
Go, push your bucket down slightly. Not too far, slightly off the ground. About there, that's it. You're going to go forwards.
Yep.
You're going to pull the arm into your leg. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Pull it towards your leg. As you're still going forward, and pull it back.
And pull it back.
Yes. And that will lift.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? Then you're going to travel back slightly, not too close to that machine, but you're going to dump it over there.
Okay.
Okay? So backwards.
And then what? Dump it over
Not
there?
too far. Don't turn it all the way.
Okay. Just like there?
Yeah, that's fine.
And then what?
You don't. So we're going to travel that way.
Yeah.
And then when you get as close as you can,
Yeah.
you're going to push that lever towards the door.
Oh,
and
towards
it's
the door.
literally going to
It's just going to
tip.
tip. Okay.
So just about there. Keep going forward. Turn your wheels. That's it. Keep going.
Yeah.
Tip it towards the door. And it should literally empty out what you've got.
That's brilliant.
It
I
is,
love
isn't it?
I love it.
So now pull it back towards your leg until you can just see on that side of the... Right there, good. Now travel back and do it again.
Sweet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now, down to the floor but not touching.
Okay.
Bit more. That's it, about there.
Okay.
Forward.
And as I go forward, back, yeah?
Sideways, then back.
Oh, sideways.
Yeah,
then-
so you're scooping
Yeah.
and then pulling back.